Abukho ubulungiswa ngesenzo sakho wemphakamiso. Ulamula kanjani? Wena uvuna mani? Hey guys, ziyabuya kuGompo, uGompo wodumo, uGompo City. Ayikho into azoyenza lo government. There's nothing they can do. The whole nation is up in arms fighting for their country. So nje ugovernment uyadlala shem, angeke aze akwazi ukumelana nalento. They are lying. They cannot stop this. The whole nation, you cannot stop the whole nation. Bacabanga ukuthi kwakuqala lapho esase-naive singama-citizens abalalelayo abasabayo. We are wiser now. We cannot be misled. We can never be bullied by the government right now. The whole nation is up in arms to fight for their country. No one wants to be bullied by them. Siyabeza uKhatshana. Who is Khatshana anyway? uKhatshana umafika izolo osezo-straightenisha ngokuthi sizoboshwa. Uzobopha bani? Ubani uzoboshwa? Bazobopha bani? Bayeke bani uma kunje? The whole nation is up in arms fighting for their country. Fighting for the country of their children, fighting for the future of their children. Laba bona ababayekile, bayekile iy'ngane zabulawa yilabantu bangasho lutho. Instead, our president wabuya wazositshela ukuthi labantu kumele baregister the same tax shops ey'bulela iy'ngane zethu. Kwathiwa ayi-register. Buka njengamanje, kuyakhalwa eborder, there's no money, ama-resources ayashoda. Yonke into bona mangabe kuthiwa kuyakhalwa nayo imadlanga kuthiwa ingaphela noma inini. Why? Because there is no money. Suddenly sekuno 600 million osuphumile because ama-citizens afuna ukulwela izwe lawo, afuna ukuvikela izwe lawo. Ibikuphi yonke le mali? Why le mali ibingafakwa kumadlanga ukuthi imadlanga ikwazi ukuqhubeka nokukhipha amaqiniso? Why le mali ibingasetshenziswa ukuyosecure amabhoda ethu? Why isizovela manje? Ngoba ama-citizens efuna izwe lawo back. Labantu instead of appreciating ukuthi ama-citizens akwazile ukubalwela abasebenzele imisebenzi ebahlulile for over 30 years yokuthi badile nama-illegal foreigners. Look at what is happening right now. Illegal foreigners are coming out in numbers to show ukuthi we are here. Ama-citizens of South Africa have been saying these things ukuthi we have millions of illegal immigrants in this country. Bebethini bona bethi siya overreactor, sinamanga, we are being xenophobic. Ama-foreigner ayayiveza, ama-illegal foreigners right now ayayiveza. Look at all races. It's not like lento yamaZulu njengoba beclaim ukuthi amaZulu azama ukufaka udlame kubantu abafaka umoya. Look at, this is the mixture of all tribes and races. Ama-colored, abelungu, abantu abamnyama, amaXhosa, amandiya, amandebele, siyababona la kuma-marches. But ugovernment is trying by all means ukuthi lento ayenze ukuthi kuthiwe amaZulu azama ukuthi enze udlame ngoba athanda ukulwa kanjani njalo. Same Zulus abazama ngawo wonke amandla ukuthi ba-unite ama-tribes e-South Africa. Guys, I'm always saying this ukuthi don't allow them to divide us. Don't allow, whether you are Venda, you are Tsonga, you are Xhosa, don't allow these people. Ama-politicians are making sure ukuthi afuna ukusidestroya, afuna ukuthi sihlukane ukuze bezokwazi ukuqhubeka beluthe, beqhubeke ne-corruption yabo. Thina silokhu sikwebhana sibhekene sodwa ukuthi asizwane. Let's not allow them. Uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani koZimbabwe. KoZimbabwe ugovernment wakhona uyajabula njengoba amashona namandebele bebhekene bengazwani. Angithi bafocuse bona ekuthenini bayaxabana, bafocuse ey'ndabeni zama-tribalism. Abanandaba nogovernment. Ugovernment ubhizi uyathrive, ugovernment ubhizi uyidlela iy'mali, bona bebhizi befocuse ekuthenini baxabana bodwa. So nje singayivumi leyo nto. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Ugovernment wase-Nigeria, the country is collapsing each and every day in Nigeria. Why? Because bona babhekene bodwa, abafuni ukufocasa ekuthenini ugovernment uyabamisleada, udlala ngabo. So yizo lezo zinto ezenza ukuthi ama-countries ase-Africa agcine o-government benze noma yini abayithandayo. Why? Because thina asifocase ekufikiseni our countries to ukufocasa ukuthi sifikise i-system le ababhizi abasidestroya ngayo. Sifocasa thina ukuthi sivumele ukuthi silwe so nje. Wake wezwa wena kuthiwa kuno-government whether in Nigeria, in Zimbabwe la ukuliwa khona kakhulu, in other African countries ukuthi u-government is trying their best to unite those tribes? Wake wayizwa leyo nto? Never. Angeke uzwe even one government in Africa trying to unite ama-tribes. Why? Because they are happy uma ningazwani. They are happy uma singazwani as ama-tribes. That is why they are trying by all means ukuthi thina as South Africans wonke ama-tribes ukuthi singazwani. Angithi bayabona njengamanje ukuthi uma sesihlangene vele we will come against them. We will speak in one voice and oppose everything ngoba vele izinto abazenzayo nezinto abayishoyo sonke siyayibona ukuthi zero. Manje abafuni ukuthi sihlangane and speak in one voice ngoba bayazi ukuthi leyo nto i-dangerous for bona. We are a threat uma siyindawo, uma sihlangene simunye. So guys, listen, ningabavumeli ngoba iyona ndlela abazokwenza ngayo ukuthi iqhubeke le situation, lesi simo nje sibhekene naso njengamanje sizoqhubeka. Why? Because if singazwani and sibavumele, yilapho abazokwazi ukuqhubeka besidestroye khona. So nje singayivumi leyo nto, singaloku ukuthi siyivumi leyo nto. Ake silalele iqhawe lethu kuphakela umthakathi ukuthi uthini la.
Siyajabula futhi ukuthi nisinike ithuba lokuthi sikhulume sichaze. Bafowethu, umsebenzi esizowenza la ukuzokweseka abantu abathi mabebona senza umsebenzi kwaZulu Natal nabo bawuqala, seza sazobalekelela ukuqala, sizobalekelela okwesibili namhlanje ngoba basikhombisa abantu bala ukuthi izwe labo balithanda. So ke into yokuqala emqoka bafowethu ukuthi kuthandwe izwe. Kufanele sithande izwe size sibadlula abaholi. Singagcini ngokuthanda abaholi ngoba abaholi bayashintsha. Njengoba sibabona nje ku-social media beshintsha, sibabona emaphepheni beshintsha. Thina-ke singabanikazi bezwe, yithi iy'ngane zala ezweni. Uma ngabe abantu abawu-30,000 baseMalawi bekwazi ukuphumela endaweni eyodwa njengalapha eThekwini, bangaki abantu abala ezweni? Kutholakala ukuthi bonke labantu abawu-30,000 abanawo amaphepha. Bangaki-ke abantu abalapha ezweni abangenawo amaphepha? Bekuyobonakala nini ukuthi kunabantu baseMalawi abawu-30,000 abanganawo amaphepha? So ke lona laba bathi si-xenophobic, laba bathi singama-tribalist, laba bathi siqhuba ubuhlanga, sizonda abantu bokufika, nabo abantu abawu-30,000 eThekwini abanawo amaphepha. Akulona nicala leli ukungena ezweni okungelona lakho ungena amaphepha engekho. So ke kubo bonke abantu bakithi abathanda izwe labo, abanendaba nezwe labo, noma ngabe kuthiwa nithukwa ngaziphi inhlamba, nibekezele ngoba nithukwa ngabantu abangenzi lutho. Nina nisukumile njengoba nibabona abantu bengaka basukumile, bazothi uhulumeni asibulali lutho, ayikho into embi esiyenzayo, akekho umuntu esimbulalayo. Sithi sicela unake thina njengabantu base-South Africa. Izwe lase-South Africa linemali. Ngihlale ngikusho lokhu ngithi izwe lase-South Africa linemali, linganikeza wonke umuntu wase-South Africa u-1 million njalo ngonyaka impilo yakhe yonke. Nalo usuku olunganqunywanga yibo abangahlangene nalo sebelikhiphela u-600,000 usuku olulodwa. 600 million, sorry, 600 million usuku olulodwa. Ngosuku abangalunqumanga bona okungelona olwabo, abangazi ukuzokwenzakani ngalo, sebekhiphe u-600 million. Abantu e-South Africa bawu-70 million. Uma ungathatha u-100 million unikeze umuntu ngayedwa e-South Africa, lowo muntu angaba malini? Ngaba imalini le? So ke sithi ingane zakwethu asiqhubekeni sibe nomoya omuhle, sethembeke, siqonde, singaphenduli amamashi abe ngokudanga. Noma kanjani litshelwa yimina, noma kanjani izwe lase-South Africa lizokhululeka inkululeko yangempela. Futhi ningakhohlwa mase kufanele nivotwe, ningakhohlwa ngoba ningalokhu nivotela abantu abanixhaphazayo. Ayizonda ikaba ibambe.
Siyabonga Ndabandaba, siyabonga qhawe lethu, siyabonga konke ukuyidela kwakho, sibonga yonke into, imizamo oyenzayo and esibonayo nathi ukuthi izophumelela. Siyabonga bhuti. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.